family, love, what do you call it? Good times, fun. Like this is all things that we really want out of our life, right? And
Mm.
so how can meditation be used to increase the love that we feel for others and ourselves?
Yeah. The more I love myself, the more I can love others.
Hmm.
Anger, fear, negative emotion arises into our life the more we are not loving ourselves. So the more I can love myself at the level of kindness, compassion, you know, forgiveness, acceptance, the more I started loving to others. But the problem comes, people say, I love you. How can you love someone else without loving ourselves?
Been
Therefore,
there.
therefore, the hate, anger, jealousy, all kinds of the negative emotion arises within ourselves. The more we are not loving ourselves, the more we are not have a level of compassion, the more we are not able to forgive ourselves. So therefore, all kinds of the negative emotion arises, and self-image, self-worth, self-esteem, self-confidence. These are the important gradients in order to love yourself. Sometimes you would have seen in corporate world or in the business world, people are not people don't have self-worth, self-value, self-esteem. They are just thinking with the logic and the reasoning mind. They're just thinking at the level of useless and unwanted thoughts, so therefore they cannot love themselves. So the more I look within, the more I move inside, and even I can stand in front of the mirror and I can start appreciating my body parts, like how my eyes look like, how beautiful energy which is coming from my head, or from my face, how beautiful my hand. So I start accepting each and every part of your body, that how I am worth, how I have self-value, how I am powerful, how I am blissful, So keep on repeating, same thought again and again in the form of affirmation. So it will raise the consciousness, it will raise the self love, and that's what it is. Yeah.
Right.